Hi friends, how are you? I hope all are good, right? Today, most important topics, friends. State Bank of India SBI clerk expected cutoff marks, friends. After taking nearly 1,000 reviews, friends, I'm going to explain what are the expected cutoff this year 2021. See, friends, before we are going for expected cutoff marks, I was taken nearly 1,000 reviews, friends. In that 1,000 reviews, I'm going to explain how many candidates good atoms will be there. Okay. See, friends, this SBI clerk mains 2021 two shift will be there, right? Shift 1 and shift 2. Okay, in that, friends, compared to shift 1, shift 2 paper somewhat difficult level will be there. Okay, so all those things considered, friends. And another one thing, friends, State Bank of India every year maintaining some percentage of marks, minimum percentage of marks for clearing the SBI clerk mains examination. See, friends, yesterday also I uploaded one video regarding this minimum cutoff marks for SC, ST, OBC and PWT 30% out of 200 marks. See, friends, out of 200 marks, 30% means 60 marks is a minimum score to qualify the SBI clerk mains examination for category SC, ST, OBC and PWT. Okay, come to the general, friends. 35% out of 200 marks means 70 marks is a minimum score to qualify the SBI clerk mains examination for general category. See, friends, my point is after taking the reviews, only 50% candidate only clearing this minimum cutoff marks. Means total 5,000 vacancies will be there, right? Out of 5,000 vacancies, 50% means 2,500 members only clearing this minimum cutoff marks. What about the remaining 50%, 2,500 candidates? How State Bank of India recruit this remaining 2,500 candidates? Either they kept has backlog vacancies? No, not at all, friends. See, friends, one most important point I'm going to share with you, friends. In notification also clearly mentioned this minimum cutoff marks nowhere mentioned, friends. This is nowhere mentioned exact cutoff marks. State Bank of India also notification clearly mentioned this cutoffs only decided by bank at the time of finalization of the cutoff. Okay, depends on paper level, depends on vacancies, and depends on requirement. Okay, all those considered only this cutoffs going to decide by State Bank of India, friends. This is not fixed cutoff. Okay, it may vary, depends on the requirement. Okay, another one thing, friends, this SBI clerk mains examination, especially for this mutual based transfer equipment. Okay, if State Bank of India unable to recruit these 5,000 vacancies, so how they transfer the mutual based transfer? Okay, as per this paper level, difficult level, right? So especially from GA part, GA very difficult. So GA is a scoring part. Scoring part only difficult, friends. How they reach this cutoff marks? So this year difficult to clear this minimum section cutoff marks, friends. So I am expecting, friends, this year this cutoff going to vary, because if cutoff not varying means no one clear this minimum cutoff marks. Okay, this is the information, friends. Please share this your attempts in my comment box and mention your category and shift wise and what are marks you are expecting. Please mention in comment section. Okay, and this year expected cutoff marks, friends, in this range only there for every category wise. SC, ST, OBC and PWT 60 marks and general 70 marks. All state this cutoff only repeated, friends. This is for 100% sure, because all category wise atoms only in the range of 70, 80, 90 in the range only there. Okay, in that accuracy also important, right? So all those considered, this year cutoff in between will be there, friends. 60 to 70 in between will be there. Okay, this is the information, friends. If you like the session means you like it. If you're watching the first time my video means do subscribe my channel. Upcoming very soon I'm going to upload the updated video, friends. Thank you all your support and Jai Hind, friends.